Hey guys, how's it doing? How's it going? KW Hotel Tours. We are here at the Wingate by Wyndham, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Um, yeah, let's take a tour. I literally just checked in here, and the reviews of this place were a little iffy. So, yeah, a little iffy. There's done some maintenance stuff. The bed seems to be okay, but let's take a tour of this room nonetheless. So right here, we have the bathroom. Got some nicks, peeling wallpaper. Seems to be a trend in the hallways. Um, the floor's a little bit older. Bathtub. Dirty shower head. Um, yeah, so this is your bathroom. We got a toilet here. All your amenities that seem to be dirty. So, I don't know. We got our closet here. An extra pillow. No pillowcase. Someone's backpack. Iron board of stains. So that's our closet. Here's my luggage. Got our coffee. Microwave. Which is dirty. Outlets on the desk. Phone. Address if you want to come to this hotel. Ethernet. 2 beds. Okay. Floor not vacuumed properly. A chair. Small marking there. The bed seems okay to be clean. I don't know. TV's not wiped down properly. Here's our lamps and such. Bible. Clock. And this lamp doesn't work. This lamp does not work. That lamp doesn't work. A little worn. AC's broken. Drapes are stained. This looks like it went on the second bed. So this place just has a jacuzzi, not a pool, which is weird. But they do have a jacuzzi. This room was $58, so I don't know. Here's our climate control right here in Mana. So this room was $58. Just have check-in process is smooth. I don't know. I might try to check out and see how they handle a guest complaint. I don't know if I'm particularly satisfied with the room. I don't know. I might go stay at another hotel. We'll see. Let's see how they handle a guest complaint. Try to get my money back. The room's kind of dirty, and I just want somewhere comfortable to stay. After all, so let's go and see how they handle a complaint. I'll bring you guys along. Get the cart here. We're in room 310, by the way. So, here's a hallway, guys. Bring my luggage and stuff back down. See what these people can do for me. Here's a falling corridor right here. Looks like something's leaking over there, but okay. Here's the elevators if you guys like elevators. These elevators are Lancaster elevators. Let's go down to one. So, Wyndham Rewards. So yeah, we're gonna see how they handle guest complaints. Let's try to get our money back and go somewhere nicer. Let's do it. Alright, we get out of here. Ice and vending. Look at my breakfast area, which is closed. Here's the spa area. Breakfast area, which is closed. Here's front desk and lobby. So. Front desk. Meeting area. Lobby. Is there a way I could just check out and get my money back?
Why, what's wrong?
The room's filthy.
How is it filthy?
The beds, the vacuum hasn't been, or the carpet hasn't been vacuumed.
Let me see. What room were you in?
310.
Sorry?
310.
310?
Yeah.
Walker?
Yes.
Let me go check it.
Okay. Okay, guys. So they're going to check the room. Here's a lobby. The lobby. If you can see there. Focus up on that. The lobby here. The wallpaper is buckling up. This should be a higher, this is Wyndham's this is Wyndham's Holiday Inn Express for Wyndham, Wingate is, but any of the reviews were half and half. So, it was like a little kid made this sign right there. So, yeah, I don't know. I came here to get away and just expected a better room. At the end of the day. Wyndham Lancaster PA 2017. Innkeeper's Right Act. signs out here. Okay, thank you. Some rules here. So I'm just doing a nice long video for you guys. And, get my money back. Get to go to another hotel. We will get another room tour. So just waiting for her to come back. Okay, they're coming around.
How are you?
Good.
What was the issues wrong with that room?
The carpet.
What was wrong with the carpet? Because I just inspected. She
Right.
came and got me. I'm the general manager. My name's Teron Stone.
Okay.
We go through a system. Housekeeping cleans the room. Housekeeping inspector goes to inspect the room. They change into the system is making it ready. She goes up, verify the room. She
All right.
goes to get her general
Gotcha.
manager. I goes into the room. I
Okay.
verify the room. What was the issue? What was wrong with the carpet?
It wasn't vacuumed properly. The AC was broken.
The AC?
Yeah.
What is the temperature you're trying to get in there? Just
Like the color to the AC was broken. Looks like the AC hasn't been cleaned. Wallpaper peeling off just like that in the bathroom.
understand. And what was your rate that you're paying tonight?
58.
I'm sorry?
58.
You know that that's you can't cancel this reservation if you pass check-in time at 3 o'clock. I mean, we'll be able to cancel your reservation, but it's non-refundable past check-in time at 3 p.m.
When I booked it, my reservation said the reservation's cancelable before 6 p.m.
Before 6 p.m.?
Mm-hmm. I booked through the Wyndham Rewards app.
No, they did not. Yes, ma'am, please hold. You're welcome. No. No, his visa is on here.
Come earlier, that's the worst case scenario.
It'll take 7 to 10.
Alright, boss.
All right, thank you, sir.
Creeping in my office, man. I seen you creeping, man.
What? I'm gonna give you, I canceled your reservation. So now I'm gonna give you a cancellation letter stating that I did cancel your reservation. And the money should be back on your card within 5 to 7 business days.
Okay.
Here you go.
Alrighty. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, guys. So, they gave us our money back. Alright, guys. So, you saw that. They gave us our money back. They gave us our money back for the room. I know it's $58, but I just feel that thing with COVID and stuff going around. So I'm gonna go book another hotel, and we will see you in another hotel room tour. Thanks for watching. KW out.